Hey everyone, it's Miss Sullivan, and I thought I'd put together a video announcement for you. So, what I'm going to have you guys do when I finish uploading and grading all of your week 2 work, that's going to include your initial cover letter, your initial resume, some career development narratives. What I want you to do is make sure you take a look at the corrections that I make. So, save the document that I upload along with your grades. Okay, why am I telling you to do that? Because going forward, you're going to see that other assignments are going to come up where you're going to need to make those revisions. So the easiest way to do those is to hold on to the corrections that I make in the documents you submitted for week 2. And then when they come again in the course where you have to do a revised cover letter or a revised resume, all you have to do is make the corrections that I noted, okay? If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me, email. My phone number is in the course as well, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks, everybody.